HTS series teach pendant supports multiple operating systems and consists of multiple accessories, and each accessory has multiple models to choose from. The LCD screen size is 8-inch, 800x600, and the touch screen is a reinforced 4-wire resistive screen. The layout of the membrane buttons is as shown in the video, with built-in metal dome, and the size, pattern and number of buttons can be customized. As shown in the figure is the location of the accessories of the Teach pendant. Each accessory has a variety of models to choose from. Right above the Teach pendant, you can add MDG or joystick according to your needs, or customize your own logo. The outlet is shrinkable to solve the problem of wire falling off. The safety switch is located in the hands on both sides. You can choose which side to put according to your operating habits. Each of our products will be equipped with a junction box. On each junction box, there is a wiring definition corresponding to the model of the Teach pendant. You only need to connect the wires in your controller to the corresponding green terminals according to the wiring definition and diagram. Thank you for watching. If you are interested in our products, please visit our website or contact an email in the video. Looking forward to your cooperation.